Hello, this is Ashira Nelson, also known as Savvy Girl Money. I always get the question of what steps should I follow as I am working on my finances. Or I get the question of Dave Ramsey has his baby steps. What steps do you follow? So today I want to talk about the financial steps that I like to follow in order to build a solid financial foundation. The first step of my journey to building a solid financial foundation is to start budgeting. And when I say start budgeting, I mean to actually commit to a budget. I like to tell people all the time that budgets don't have to be complicated, so don't make them. People tend to just go overboard with the categories and the fixed versus variables and the this versus that. Keep it simple, very simple. Honestly, you can get a pencil and paper and write down your budget. Just as simple as that. I share a budgeting sheet on my website for free. Click the link down below so that you can get the copy of my budgeting sheet. Next up is save $1,000 into an emergency fund. People normally start here in their financial steps, and honestly this is my natural starting point, is to start that emergency fund, but I had to add in the budgeting part because I need people to first commit to the budget, because that's what I had to do. If you can't commit to a budget, how will you commit to the other steps of this process? After you have $1,000 into your emergency funds, that's for emergencies only, start eliminating your debt. You want to eliminate your debt by creating a repayment plan. And you do this by listing out all your debts and creating a plan how you're going to focus one at a time on eliminating this debt. Yep, just as easy as that. And like a budget, it don't have to be super complicated. You can literally say, just like I did, I want to focus on eliminating my student loans. Here's my plan. My actual plan was to eliminate my debt in 24 months by paying $1,000 per month. That's my repayment plan. I'm telling you guys, I don't make this stuff complicated. I keep it simple. After you have eliminated your debt, I want you guys to start saving 6 months worth of expenses into an online emergency fund. Some of these online savings accounts have some great interest rates. Oh my God, awesome interest rates. Next step is to start saving for retirement. I currently have a 401k through my job, and I also have a Roth IRA. No matter what you decide, make sure you start contributing to your retirement account. My goal for 2019 is to contribute 10% of my take-home income to my retirement. I have to get to that point. It is very key. But I wanted to make sure I focused on eliminating the majority of my debt first. Next up is repairing your credit. So you have your budget, your emergency fund. You started saving for retirement. Then I want to focus on really hitting that 800 club. I don't mind my credit score being perfect, because honestly I think if you have like 800 or 850 credit score, you pretty much get the same interest rates anyway. But I want to make sure I am in that 800 club constantly, because I want to make sure I am always getting the best interest rates, which actually will help me to save money. Then it's the wealth building stage. That is the final step in my steps to building a solid foundation. The wealth building stage for me will be investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, more real estate investment. That is like the steps I cannot wait to get to. No matter what steps you choose to follow, make sure you write down some steps that you plan to live by in order to create a solid financial foundation. If you have not done so, please make sure you subscribe to this channel right now and give me a thumbs up if you found any information in this video helpful. please follow me on my social media, which is my Instagram and my Facebook account at Savvy Girl Money. I'll see you guys again next week.